Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by importing both the image you want and the text you'll place behind it. Drag the image to the primary track and the text to a layer above. Once done, trim so the image lasts longer than the text and position the playhead where the reveal will begin. Make sure the text is centered roughly where you need it. Precise placement is easier now than later. This sets the stage for masking and blending in the next steps. Next, you'll mask the image so the text can show through. Move to the point where the text should appear, then select the image clip and open Mask Options. Choose a shape that fits the text area, then invert the mask if you want the text to sit behind a carved-out portion. Make sure to adjust feather for softness and size/position to match the text. If timing needs tweaking, split clips or freeze frames to lock the reveal exactly where you want it. Finish by refining movement and exporting a test. Animate text or the image slightly to create depth. Small scale or position shifts sell the effect. Then export a short segment at 1080p and watch for harsh edges or timing slips. If the image edge looks jagged or the text peaks incorrectly, go back and increase mask feather, nudge the mask position, or reapply the mask on a duplicate layer. Once smooth, export the full video and you're done.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.